Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Tool Deals, where we upload amazing tool deals every day. Today is Thursday, June 18th. So about today's deal, this is a bit different. I've showed you this deal before a few days ago. This one was a Ryobi battery kit, and what you would get here are these two 4 amp hour batteries and a quick charger. And you pay $99, and then you would get to choose a free tool from this selection. But the difference though about today's deal is that I discovered something. I went to Home Depot and I checked out this deal. But if you want to get a Hedge trimmer, the only option that you have is this one. So if I click on this one, it's going to take me to this page, and this is the Hedge trimmer that you would get. It's nice, it works, and it's fine. So, but this one is $44. Okay, this is kind of smaller. It's just to cut, like small bushes and stuff like that. So it's pretty handy. But if you want the big one to cut big bushes, if you go here, you're not gonna find that one. That one is a lot more expensive. But let me show you something. I went to Home Depot and I took this picture. So let me zoom out so you can see the whole picture. So I took this picture, and this is the kit, the same kit that I was showing you. But this is the thing. If you see here in this picture, if I zoom in this part, you can see that they have this tool right here, this one. Besides this one, you can choose this one. And if you type the same number here, I'm going to move it out of the screen. So if you type it in the search box, this is the number. Okay, I'm going to show you here. That's the number. So it's 442. So that's the same number. 1001599 And if you run the search, this is exactly the same tool that you would get. So you pay $99 for the battery kit, and you would get this $99 tool. This is that 20-inch one. Okay, this is the Hedge trimmer. So this is an amazing deal. This you pay $100 and you get the kit plus this $100 tool. Okay, so that's what you get. But you cannot get it online. You can only get it at the store. So that's why I said that this deal is a little bit different, because you cannot just buy it online. You would have to go to the store and make sure that you grab this box, like with this tool and the battery kit, and then just go to the register, and boom, you've got the deal. Okay, so remember that I always put the links in the description. Of course, I'm not gonna put a link for this one because it's not the store, but I'm gonna put a link for the next deal. And just remember to subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already, so that you can receive a notification as soon as I upload a new deal. Okay, so let's go to the next deal. The next deal is this one. It's a folding Sawhorse. So there is not much to explain about this one. You can use it, in your garage or whatever you want. And these hold up to 1,200 pounds. So they're like really strong. They're really useful. And you get two for $20. They used to be $40, and you just pay $20 and get that pack. Okay, and they're 20-inch each one. Okay, so yeah, as I said, there's not much more to explain about this one. I'm just gonna put the link in the description. And remember to give this video a like so you can help me grow this channel even faster. Okay, well, thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.